Coach, si Kit, ba't wala siya and how crucial was that considering?
Nasa ensayo naman siya kahapon, walang problema. Biglang pagising niya kaninang umaga, swollen yung left knee niya. No? It's an old injury. Hindi lang namin alam kung bakit biglang naging swollen. Maayos siya the past few weeks. Natulog. Maganda ay mensahe niya kahapon. Baka may kinain na uric acid yan. May kinain na nag-deposit yung acid dun sa kaya batang-bata, na eh. May gout na. So, we'll see, no? It's nothing serious, but we need to address it as early as possible.
Pero Coach, yung first game niya nung against Manado po, very impressive yung
Yes,
show.
I'm very happy with the way he played his first game. Kaya ang laki ng namin ngayon na he can make an impact and a contribution in this game. Biglang wala siya. Actually, he tried warming up kanina. No? He tried getting treatment. Pero masakit talaga gout.
Nag-reliever lang yun.
So, yun. Pero hindi naman siya serious.